name is Nikmatullah, welding technology student SMK2 Banda Aceh. I will have to take welding machine are outside place. Seek the power to correction. Open the argon gas valve. Adjust working pressure of argon gas at 6 psi. Connect to negative cable to arctic welding machine. Connect to positive cable gas hose and switch valve. Turn on TIG welding machine and let's set the connect for welding. Pick negative clamp to a welding table. Place the rope to a welding table. Welding rope directs to the workpiece and press to button and the truck to the welding place. Let us try to do the welding. Nomor 7 kan. Aku kamu kenalkan diri. Sai. Brand mana cewek kan? Berapa puluh? Duduk. Gendong. Duduk. Bola dikencang. Kan terus. Mantap.
Yeah, this is TIG welding machine process by Nikmatullah, welding technology student SMK2 Banda Aceh. Okay, thank you.